We are welcome to this channel. We're looking at integration using integral sign. Okay, I want to start from the general format and then x dx. Okay, this one, this x integrating respect to what? Respect to this function. Okay, is that clear now? So this function here and this variable here must be the same thing. So the general formula is what? When you have integral of this, it's going to be this function, then this is having power n. Come back here. This will be equal to what? The n plus 1 over whatever you have here, that's n plus 1, and then plus the constant of integration. So that's how to integrate. So this long x is the integral sign. This x is a function you are integrating. The x is the element of integration, and you must add plus c to your answer as a constant of integration. So let's go to questions. We have this question: integral of x to the power 3 plus 2x. Okay, dx. This is integral of sum of two functions. Integral of sum of two functions. That's what we have in this place, which will be equal to what? Integral of this one, okay, s cubed dx plus integral of the second function. Okay, so this tells us that when you have integral of sum of functions, it's going to be integral of each of those functions. Integral of each of those functions, and this will be equal to what? X to the power 3 plus 1, that's x to the power 4. Okay, whatever you have there over 4, then plus this one. The 2 is just a constant. Let me quickly buttress that from the formula. If you have k in this place, okay, k is just a constant, so it will just be there. You just separate that. Okay, actually you could take it out of the integration. You could take it out of that integration, and that will be x dx. This is power 1, and the final conclusion, this will be 1 over 4 x to the power 4 plus this will be what? The power plus 1, that's that, times 2 over 2 plus c, and that finished the first part of this question. Integral of 2x to the power minus 2 plus 3 dx. So this one will be what? Integral of this one will be equal to 2x minus 2 plus 1, that's minus 1 over minus 1. Whatever you have here, you have to divide by that power. Plus this one, I want to buttress that. When you have integral of, this is integral of, if you allow this integral to come to be integral of 3 can come outside, it's a constant, and then you have dx. Okay, so when you integrate the x, it's going to give you x. It's going to give you x, and that will be times 3. That's 3x. So plus what? Plus that 3x, and then plus c. So final adjustment. This will be equal to what? This minus that minus 2. This x to the power minus 1. That will be what? Times 1 over x. Times 1 over x plus that 3x, and then plus what? Plus c. And that finishes the solution to that. As I'm coming in, just begin to say add. In this case now, this will be equal to integral of either difference of functions or sum of functions. It's going to be integral of each of those functions. It's going to be integral of each of those functions. Okay, and then minus these 2, you can take it out of outside the integral, and that will be x to the power minus half dx, and then plus 4 integral of dx. Okay, as we are opening the brackets and the integral is coming in, each of them will be having dx. Okay, so anytime you have your integral sign, you must attach the element of integration. If your function is theta, then you must have the theta. If your function is t, We also have the t, and so on and so forth. So this one will be equal to what? This 2 is a constant. So this will be x, the half plus 1, that's 3 over 2, over 3 over 2, minus 2. This minus half plus 1, that will be x to power what? X to power half. Over what? Over half. Okay, and then plus what? Plus that 4x. If you integrate the x, to give you x. The theta, it will give you theta. The t, it will give you t, and so on and so forth. Plus your c. Okay, you just need to do the algebra here. When you have a fraction at the denominator, there is 1 here. So it's going to flip this one upside down, and that will be 2 times 2 over 3. X 3 over 2. This one also will be what? Minus 2 times 2, that's 4. This one, and then plus 4x plus c. So that's that. So we're going to have 4 over 3 x to the power 3 over 2 minus 4 root x plus 4x plus c. So that's that on this question. So let's look at those 2 questions. Let's look at those 2 questions. Okay, as they're coming in, just begin to say I. As they're coming in, just begin to say I. As they're coming in, just begin to say I. As they're coming in, just begin to say I. So this is what we have. So this is what we're going to do. The p does not synchronize with the x. So that makes that p to be a constant. Okay, p does not synchronize. There is no x there, so p is a constant. Just like we have 4 or minus 4, minus 3 or minus or 3. So we're going to take it out outside the integration, and that will be p x 4 plus 1, that's 5 over 5 plus here. That's what I'm saying here. The 2t. 2 is a constant. T also is also a constant. So 2t is a constant. But it does not synchronize with that the x. Okay? Because the x is telling us that we are integrating the function respect to x. So if it's not x, it shows that it's what? It's a constant. So 2t will be outside, then you have what? The x. Okay? And then plus this one, that will be 3 minus 2 plus 1, that's minus 1 over minus 1. And then plus what? Plus c. Okay? On the final note, we have 1 over 5 px5 plus 2tx, and then plus minus, that's minus 3 over what? 3 over x plus c. This 1 over, this minus 1, this minus, you can remove it, that's 1 over x. So 3 times 1 over x. So you have this. Okay? As you're coming in, just begin to say I. Let's quickly see the final one, number 5. Let's see the final one. Integral of, so that's number 5. That's what we have there. That's number 5. Okay? That's what we have there. For the fifth one, number 5, that will be, we are integrating respect to t. Okay, respect to t. So that means p is a constant. So we're having t power 3 plus 1, that's the power 4 over 4. Your p is a constant. Q also is also a constant. You're having q squared integral of what? The t. So your q squared is a constant. Then plus this one also, p is a constant. You're having s cube, the t. Even s cube is also a constant. The two of them, these two is a constant. You are only integrating the what? The t. Okay? You are integrating the t. If the function does not have a t, then such a function is a constant. So final conclusion, we have pt 4 over 4 plus q squared t. If you integrate the t, it will give you t. And then this one also plus px cube t. And then plus what? Plus c. So let's start on that one. Let's start on that one. As I'm coming in, just begin to say I. Just begin to say I. We're going to see another set of questions. Okay. If you're new on the channel, if you're fresh here, if you're fresh on this channel, please subscribe to the channel. Okay. It's not easy for one to be coming online. Okay. Take determination, take courage. Okay. Take big focus. Let's support it. Back it up. Okay. When somebody is doing something good, support the person. Okay. Click on the subscribe button. Share the link of this video across your social media platform and say something. As you're coming in, say I. Let me quickly explain this. Before you can integrate this, when you have a product of items under integration, the first thing you need to do is for you to do the algebra, do the expansion. Okay? If there is need for you to remove the radical, quickly do that before you do your integration. Okay? If there is multiplication, there's a bracket, expand the brackets. Then after that, you can what? You can do your integration. If there is radical, remove the radical. Okay? That is doing the algebra. Then after that, you can do the integration. Please take your journal, take your pen, take your writing material, and begin to follow along with me. Take your writing material and begin to follow along with me. This will give you maximum comprehension. This will give you maximum comprehension. If you really mean the business, you want to learn integration, take your journal, your writing material, take it right now. Okay, it's not easy. Let's give it support that you are doing good. We support you. Okay, and as you support me, everyone will support you also. Support this work. Okay, begin to share the links of this video. Call your friends. Okay, call your friends. Call everyone. Call everyone. It's not easy. It's coming live at this hour of the day. Okay, begin to give support to this channel. Give it a massive support. Share now. Begin to share this link. Share it now. Share it now. Share it now. Do question 1. I'm going to remove the integral sign. I'm going to do the algebra, do the expansion. Okay, that's the first thing I'm going to do. Okay, because this is not differentiation. If it's differentiation, you can use a product rule. Even in differentiation, you need to expand. You need to expand. So let's expand this. So this one times this one, that's a 2x squared. This one again times this one, that's a minus 2x. This one times this one, that's a plus 3x. And this one again times this one, that's a minus 3. Do the addition. This will be 2x squared minus 2x plus 3x. That's what? Plus x minus 3. Then you can now, after you've done the expansion, then you can now introduce your integral sign. Okay, and put the element of integration there. And after that, you can now integrate. So this one will be what? This will be 2x squared over 2. The power is 2 plus 1. So that's 3 over what? Over 3 plus. This one is having power 1. So that will be x 1 plus 1. That's 2 over 2. And then minus what? This one is what? Anytime, let me quickly chip in. When you have integral of c dx, you know what you're going to do? The c is just an integer. It could be positive, it could be negative. Take it out of the integration, then you have integral of dx. Integral of dx is what? Is x. So that will be what? That will be another 3x plus what? Plus c. So that one is done. Copy that. Copy that. The second one, I will leave it for you. I want the answer at the comment section. I'll just give you a clue. I'll give you a clue for the second one. I'll give you a clue for the second one. For the second one, what you are going to do is to remove this radical. Remove the radical. That's the first thing you do. And then use it to multiply each item. So that will be 2x. So if you remove this radical, it's going to be times x to the power half. Okay, this one is power 1. Okay, then plus what? Plus 3 times x to the power half. Okay, then you can now do the indices, combine this one together, do the indices, and then now integrate. Okay, finish that. Let's see the answer of that in the comment section. Okay, let's see the answer to that too in the comment section. Okay, so this one, combine it together. So that's that on that. Let's see another set of questions. Okay, that's good. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's good. Okay, that's good. I've already cleaned it, but that's good. Okay, thank you for that. I like your spirit. It's highly motivating. Okay, it's highly motivating. Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's see the another one we have here. Let's see another one we have here. Okay, we are told find integral of f of x. Find integral of f of x dx. Integral of f of x dx when f of x is given by the following. F of x is given by what? By the following. This one will be equal to what? I have 5 questions. I'm going to pick. I will leave this one for you at the comment section. Do that at the comment section. Okay. I'll go to B now. Your B is this square. I'll teach you the way you can do expansion very fast. If you have a plus b squared, that will be equal to a squared plus 2 times a times b, ab, then plus the last one plus b squared. So I'm going to apply that for this one, which will be equal to what? X squared plus 2 times this and this. Okay, ab, this and this is my a, this is my b, and then plus b squared 1 over x or square. So it make your work faster if you can learn that. Okay, you can learn that. If it's minus, if this is minus a minus b squared, that will be a squared, okay, minus 2 times a b, okay, and then plus what? Plus b squared. If you know this, it make your work faster. Okay, make your work faster. So that's what we have there. That's what we have there. Okay. So we now have s squared. Okay. This one times this one, this will cancel. That's a 2 plus 2 plus 1 over s squared. Then you can bring in your what? Integral sign. Yeah. Okay. So, and you can solve it. But before we can solve it, let's remove this one. Let's write it in this form. Okay. So this will be equal to what? Our 2 plus 1, that's x3 over 3 plus, this will be 2x. This one will be what? Plus 1, that's x minus 1 over minus 1. Okay. And then plus what? Plus c. So just do the arrangement there, then we'll get the final conclusion. Plus minus, that becomes minus x to the power minus 1, that's 1 over x. So that's that, and this is what? This is s cubed. This is x s cubed. So if you do the final arrangement, this will become minus, this will be minus, and this will be what? 1 over what? 1 over x. Okay, right, 1 over x. So that one is done. I've done b now. I'm going to take I'm going for E. So try this and put the answer at the comment section. Try C also and put the answer at the comment section. I'm going to do E now. We have x over 2 plus root x. Okay, so this will be equal to what? Let's do the algebra first. This will be x over root x plus what? 2 over what? Over root x. That's the implication of this. That's the meaning of that. And that will be equal to, remove the radical, that will be x over what? X to the power half minus this is 2 over what? X to the power half. Okay. Then you can apply your indices. This is power 1. So you take one of the bases and then you subtract the power 1 minus half, which is what? Which is half. Okay. And then this one, we can write this one as well. 2x to the power minus half. You can raise this one up. Okay. So then we now have this one also plus the power plus 1. That's a minus 2. Okay. Let's begin to introduce our integral sign. Put your dx there. Your integral sign. Put your dx. Okay. Your integral sign. Put your dx. Okay. So this one plus 1. That's 2x to power half over what? Over half. Okay. Okay. Let's. This will be, do the algebra first. Do your algebra first. This is the x to power what? Minus half. Let's do the algebra first. This is your brackets. So I've finished the algebra now. Finish the algebra. Do the algebra first before the final integration. Okay, do the algebra first for the final integration. So final conclusion, this will be plus 1. That's x to the power 3 over 2 over what? Over 3 plus 1. That's x to the power half over what? Over half. Okay, and that will make something become what? To become 4. Okay, and then plus what? Plus c. Be equal to 1 over root x plus 2 root x. Integral of this dx. Okay. So do the algebra. This will be this is 1 over x to the power half, and that will be x to the power minus half. This 1 over is minus, and then this radical is half, and then plus 2 times x to the power half. So that's the first thing to do, to remove the radical. Remove the square root. Okay, then after that you can now integrate now. So power here, minus half plus 1, that's x to the power half over half, and that will give me 2. Okay, then plus this one, half plus 1, that's x 3 over 2, times what? This is 2, 3 over 2. But you don't need to waste your time. You can quickly flip it, and that will be what? That will be 2 times 2 over 3. That's 2 times 2 over 3. Okay, that's 2 times 2 over 3. You can flip the fraction, and that will that will go with 1 on the top, and then plus what? Plus c, and that will be 2x half. 2 times 2, that's 4 over 3, s to the power 3 over 2 plus c. Okay, the first one, solution. The first thing we need to do is to remove those ones that are for the fraction plus. This one will be 4. This one, take it up. When you take it up, it's going to have minus as the exponents. Okay, dx. Okay, so that's what we have. That's what we have in that place. Then you can now use your formula for integration. The exponent plus 1, that's 2 over 3 plus 1, that's what? 5 over 3. Okay, so we're going to have x 5 over 3 over 5 over 3. Okay, exactly. But I've said that anytime you have a fraction, you don't need to waste your time. Just flip this fraction, and that would be what? That would be 3 over what? Over 5. That would be 3 over 5. Okay. I really appreciate everybody. Thank you for your for staying by. Thank you for those people that are watching. I appreciate the support in this class. Thank you so much for the support. Thank you so much uh, for those online and for those uh, physical also. Thank you. So this is what we have, okay, and then plus 4 minus 3 plus 1, that's x to the power minus 2 over minus 2 plus what? Plus 6. So final conclusion, this will be 3 over 5, x to the power 5 over 3. Plus minus, that's minus 4 over 2, that's 2. This is minus. Let it go down. Remove the minus. That's what? If you remove the minus, the x2 will now go at the bottom of what? Plus C. And that's finished the solution to that question. I appreciate my friends over there for working along with me. Thank you. So let's see. Question 2. Question 2. Question 2 would be this one. This one is equal to 2 over s cubed plus x over s cubed. That's the meaning of this fraction. That's the meaning of that fraction. Okay, and then plus what? Plus 3. So that's the first thing to do. That's the first rudiment to do. Okay, that's the first thing to do. And that will be equal to q to the power x to the power minus 3 plus. This one is power 1. So that will be what? X to the power what? Minus 2. 1 minus 3. Apply the law of exponents. Okay, and then plus that 3. Okay, dx. So this is equal to integral of this one dx plus integral of this one dx plus integral of 3 dx. So the first one, the power plus 1, that's 2x to the power minus 2 over minus 2. Okay, then plus the power also here minus 2 plus 1, that's x to the power minus 1 over minus 1. Then plus this 3 can come outside, the integral, and the integral of dx is what? Is x. Is x. So that's what we have, plus c. Let's slowly tidy up. These two will cancel. So the minus will go up. That will be minus. This one is 1 over x to the power what? S to the power 2. Remove the negative, which is 1 over x to the power 2. Plus minus, that's minus. And then x to the power minus 1, that's 1 over x. And then plus 3x. And then plus c. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, that's good. That's good. I really like this energy. It's really encouraging me to continue. Okay. So let's see. Let me take the C one. You try the D and put the answer in the comment section. The D, begin to do that and put the answer in the comment section. Do the D now. D in the comment section. The C, we are going to take it gently. Do the expansion of this one, which will be equal to what? This is your A. That's 2x squared. That's a squared. Plus 2 times A is 2x. And then B is what? B is 1. And then plus the B plus 1 squared. So that's how to do the expansion. This is your A. This is your B. You follow my previous expansion. Apply that. That's 2 times A, B. My A is 2x. My B is 1. So this will be equal to what? 4x squared plus 4x plus 1. Okay, I've done that one. Then we can now go back to this place. 2x plus 1 squared. Remove this radical, which is what? Over x to the power half. And that will give you 4x squared. Okay, over x to the power half minus 4x over x to the power half plus 1 over what? X to the power 1, x to the power half. So the expansion, you divide this one by each one of the numerator. Okay, that's the meaning of this. This one means this implication. Okay, that's the implication. That's the expansion. Then you now divide by what? By root x, which will be this over root x, this over root x plus this over root x. Then we can have now for the base are the same. We are dividing. We subtract the power. That will be 2 minus what? 2 minus half. That's 2 minus half should be 1.5, which will be 3 over 2. That's 3 over 2. That's 3 over 2. Yeah, correct. Then minus 4. This is power 1. That's x. 1 minus half. That's half. And then plus what? Plus x to the power what? Remove this 1 over, which is minus half. Okay. Now put your integral sign. Okay. So that's that on that. Then after that, you can begin to do your integration. So that's that on these. But I'm taking my time. Okay. This one is done perfectly. So on the final conclusion, let's integrate now. So that will be 3 over 2 plus 1. Plus 1, that will be 4x 5 over 2 over what? 5 over 2 minus 4. 1 over 2 plus 1, that's 4x 3 over 2, and then plus minus half plus 1. Minus half plus 1, that's x half over half plus c. Don't forget here 3 over 2. Don't forget that 3 over 2. Okay, so that's what we have achieved now. You just need to do the algebra. Okay, we need to do the algebra. Okay, if anything is not clear, let us know. I will explain that to you. There is a omission. Let us know. I will explain to you. That's my duty. I will explain to you. Let's share pages together. Let's share idea together. So let me quickly finish it up. Okay. So this one will be what? Will be 4 times 2 over 5. This one is going to flip upside down. That will be 2 over 5. And that will be 8 over 5. 8 over 5 x to the power 5 over 2. Then minus 4, so 4 times. This will flip upside down. That will be 2 over 3. That's 8 over 3. That's 8 over 3. And then x to the power 3 over 2. Then this one also over half. It will flip upside down because there's a 1 here. That becomes 2. That will be 2 times x to the power half. Okay. Which we can make as what? 2 times root x. The choice is yours. Okay. I don't know the answer. It's only when you work it out. And I want people to be commenting on it. Okay. I want people to comment on it. So by the time I sit down also, then I can see whether you are right or not. I will inform you. Okay. But I've given you all what you need. Okay. All that is needed is given to you. Okay. I don't know the answer offhand until I work it out. Okay. So please put the answer for 3D in the comment section. I want to say thank you for subscribing. Thank you for being part of the participants, people that participate in the discussion. Thank you so much. The names are endless and many. Thank you for participating in the discussion. Thank you for working along with me. Thank you so much. Please begin to share the link of this video across your social media platform. Don't stop there. Okay, give the video a thumbs up. Okay, share the links. Share it massively.